President Joe Biden has made a bold decision to block Japan's Nippon Steel from acquiring U.S. steel for $14.3 billion. This move, framed as a matter of national security, raises critical questions about the future of American steel manufacturing and international investment relations. How will this decision ripple through the industry and beyond? What are the potential consequences of rejecting such a significant deal? Let's find out. Potential consequences. Legal battles. With Nippon Steel and U.S. Steel both potentially considering litigation against the Biden administration, the stage is set for protracted legal disputes. Nippon Steel has already expressed dissatisfaction with what it perceives as undue influence in the review process. Impact on foreign investment. Experts warn that this rejection could deter future foreign investments in critical sectors. Japanese officials have cautioned that such a stance may signal to international investors that their interests are unwelcome in the U.S., despite no security concerns being present. Political ramifications. The decision comes at a politically sensitive time, with upcoming elections where states like Pennsylvania, home to U.S. Steel, hold significant sway. The United Steelworkers Union has been vocal against foreign ownership, aligning with Biden's stance to protect American jobs. Future of U.S. Steel. CEO David Burritt has indicated that U.S. Steel requires substantial investment to modernize its aging facilities, a need that remains unaddressed following the deal's collapse. This raises questions about how the company will secure funding and maintain competitiveness in an evolving market. Impact on the U.S. economy and American workers. Blocking the acquisition could have broader economic implications, particularly for American workers in the steel industry and related sectors. While the intention is to protect jobs, there are concerns that without the necessary capital and technology from Nippon Steel, U.S. Steel may struggle to compete against larger global players, potentially leading to job losses and economic decline in regions dependent on steel production. As tensions rise between the U.S. and Japan over this decision, the fallout from Biden's rejection of the steel deal could reshape not only the steel industry but also broader economic relations between nations. The next steps will be closely watched as both companies weigh their options in response to this significant turn of events.